What's up, my beautiful people? Come with me in the kitchen today while I prepare this delicious mac and beef. Yeah, man, not mac and cheese, mac and beef. Keep watching. Here I have the ingredients put together, which I will explain as we go along in the video. So what I'm gonna do now is put some water on, add some salt to it, and get that warm. Then I'm gonna cut up my vegetable, or should I say my seasoning, which is onion and tomatoes. And yes, easy and simple. We're not gonna put a lot in there. Soon as the water comes to a boiling point, we're gonna add the macaroni. Okay. Yes. Water sitting right on top of that. We're gonna make that simmer so the macaroni can get soft. Gonna go ahead and add little oil to a pot, start frying up my onion, and get prepared to put in my corned beef. So this is the onion, well chopped up, not too small, not too big. Gonna go ahead and stir that around in the pot before we add the tomato. So we're gonna go ahead and add tomato, which is optional. You don't have to add tomato to yours if you want to, but I love a little bit of tomato. Corned beef. We're gonna go ahead and open the corned beef. Of course, you wanna do the right thing. Use the key and open the corned beef tin like so. When that come off, you can see the nice corned beef just looking refined. Have a little bit of grease on top. We're gonna go ahead and add that to the pot with the onion and the tomato. After stirring it around a little bit, make sure it simmer. Go ahead and add that to the pot. Yeah, man, make sure you cut it up, break it down, stir it around fine, get everything mixed in as one. Easy and simple dish. Your kids will love it. Your wife, your husband, family will definitely love it. And it's easy to prepare. This take about 30 minutes as long as the macaroni is cooked. But yeah, macaroni is cooked. We're gonna go ahead and strain off the water, and then we're gonna add the macaroni to that beef and whatever I was cooking up there. Looking awesome. This is for the people who don't like to do a lot of cooking. This one is easy and simple and will taste good. You're watching Kenny Good Vibes TV. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel so we can keep growing. But yes, after adding my macaroni, I just go ahead and stir that around, give it a nice stir. What we are doing is mixing everything into one. Yeah, but we're not done yet, you know. I don't know, some little flavoring is missing. But I'm making sure I stir it around properly, mix up everything so everything became one. Go ahead and add some thyme. The leaf of the thyme, I didn't put the branches in there, I just strip off the leaf and put in there, and you know, so that can get that nice flavoring. Of course, we're gonna add some black pepper, give it that nice taste, and it cannot be complete without some complete seasoning. And I have this hot pepper that I made my own concoction. I blend up some real pepper and put it in the fridge. I call it the Bomber Cloud Hot Season. So when you see it in the fridge, nobody should mess with it because it will burn you. That's why I give it that name. Go ahead and add some to my mac and beef and give it a nice stir around. Combine everything together, and there you have it, a delicious dish. Time to taste it, and let me tell you, just like it look, that's how it tastes. Tell me if this is something you would try. And this is Kenny Good Vibes TV again. If you have not yet subscribed, where are we at, man? Subscribe now.